Hi guys, welcome to my page. What are we doing today? We are making chin chin. Yes, we are frying chin chin, and I'm using self-rising flour. Self-rising flour. Yes, I'm pouring inside a bowl. I'm adding my sugar. The next thing, nutmeg. Yes, I'm adding my nutmeg inside it, and the next thing is vanilla flavor, which I'm adding. You can use any type of flavor of your choice, but in this particular video I'm using vanilla. And the next thing you are doing, you are going to break our eggs. Yes, cracks our eggs. So I'm using one, and the next thing we are adding our margarine here. Before we had our evaporated milk, I'm using evaporated milk. You can use any other milk you like, but I prefer using evaporated milk for my chin chin. I'm adding more margarine to it. Yes, and I'm going to mix this together. Yes, please guys, kindly comment on my page, kindly subscribe, kindly share my video. Yes, share my video please, or your like, your subscriptions keep me going and going and going. It encourage me to do more and more. So we are done with our dough. So I'm rolling the dough. I've started cutting into pieces for our chin chin. Yes, stay tuned guys. Please, if you have any other way of making your own chin chin, you can comment down below. Yes, yeah, you can comment. No knowledge is wasted. Yes, and you can share your own knowledge with others so that people can also learn. So you have to, it's deep frying. When you're frying your chin chin, please remember it has to be a deep frying. Yes, it has to be a deep frying. As you can see, how I can smell this. Wow, this smells good. I can't wait to test it. Please subscribe to my page. I love you guys. As you can see, our chin chin is ready. So you leave it there for some minutes, could cool down before you hit it. Crunchy, crunchy, crunchy. Yes, bye.